Hey everyone, Mike here with the Gamer Show, and this is the Nvidia Shield remote that I did a video for about how to change the batteries. And I wanted to do a follow-up video because I know a lot of you guys are posting comments on it, and I thought it was fair to do a follow-up. Anyways, as you recall, last time you just flip the remote over and you just barely press it, and it opens up. Now, as you may be aware on the previous video, that it was extremely hard to get that off the first time. However, as you can see, it comes off very easily and very, very easy to put back together as well. So, but the problem is that once you do that, look, I'm just barely tapping this. You can already see that the edge is already coming out. I barely touched it, and you can see that in real time moving. Well, I'm trying to give you a little bit of a shadow. Now, I'm holding it back with my other hand over here, so I'm just going to remove it, and you see it just came off with no pressure. So this is kind of an issue for me because I'm kind of the guy that kind of, throws his remote, and as you could see there, it came out like very easily. And I'm literally, that was less than half an inch that I put the remote down. So you physically have to take this remote after you've opened the battery and set it down perfectly every time. If not, then you're going to have the issue where it actually pops off. It just bothers me. But I thought I'd make a follow-up video. This is a great remote control, no doubt. This is one of my favorite remote controls. However, the issue with it just barely coming off or just hitting it there, you can already see the lip's already off. This thing falls apart too easily now. So maybe that's something that Nvidia knew about, and they put extra glue to keep it really hard from originally opening this thing up. But yeah, as you could tell, I'm just barely giving it any pressure. This is nothing. I'm just holding it. So, but anyways, I wanted to share that update with you guys so that way, everybody that's watched the video, you're not crazy. The back of this comes off really easily now. So, but anyways, just be careful because you could toss your remote one day and this thing will go flying. So, thank you very much, and thanks for tuning in.